go on social media is the thing. When they see you one-on-one, they can't even do anything to you. You understand? So just live there like rats ranting on social media. Mama Sharon, take your family, your children, your grandchildren. These are grandchildren for that matter. Take your grandchildren out of social media. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. And to those of you mothers who bring your children from Nigeria to Europe, and at the end of the day, you people end up fighting yourself and everything, you people should stop it. This shame and disgrace is just too much. If I know you, God bless you.
Thank you.
I beg, drop me, I beg.
If Sharon, they are alive now, this boy come Europe. Una go say na Sharon buy ticket for her.
Yes.
Now this is everybody win, they Nigeria, now they suffer.
Yes. So now my people, okay, you want to talk?
Bini say,
Before I talk,
if us not by person, enemy long go fit.
exactly.
Now get cloth for son, he take his cloth because of Europe us. Mona rest. Now get cloth for son, he take his cloth.
What's the normal
Because of Europe
why
house.
not go donation patients?
You don't get that for Europe, you never take the take life. Now get it in, take it in. If fast not by person, enemy not get harm.
At all, I could be use that same.
If he dare you, if their life, you start say this boy call Nigeria. If for Nigeria call Europe, they'll send out the get money. That boy they use.
Yes.
And the boy that the get carry and come.
Okay. Now my people, let's call it spade a spade. I don't give you now the time to speak. It is now my time to speak. You see this Mugu here, this idiot. She is the architect of everything. What did she do yesterday? She feel say by now, una go do the clap for her. Say she did really defend Sharon. You say you love Bessie Pikin. You see Papa, you tear shirt for your neck. One point. You love Sharon's children. You see the father, where you father those children, come life. You tear shirt for your neck. Why are you doing this? Because of Mama Sharon. As you come Mumu rich, Mama Sharon not get a blood brother or blood sister for Italy, or relative, or even, but it isn't that you close past Mama Sharon. Who know Olevi, no, may go tell her, this one are averse. You think that you close past Mama Sharon, when Mama Sharon, they do all this nonsense, what they usually do, at the detriment of your future. No responsible man will ever, me now I don't marry you, and my wife, they don't know us, me now casted, I don't marry. You now, I wish you don't get husband before you start to do all this now, if for good, you not get husband, you never born. Now, today I confirm and say, now stupid friends, then you get. Because if you are my friend and I cannot talk to you, I quit. Do your friendship first. For you to have a friend, they say come out and say you get friends. All of them are stupid friends. Now, Mama Sharon, you are a suspect number one for your pikin. Wait by. Because I never see mother, as mother love children rich, as I still be so, Mama, they call me. If you call me once, 2 times, I not pick. You call my wife. I say, big rich. Now your own, they come. You not go see her one day. We don't even talk about that one. Now, patience is when they put for everything. Patience is now you do this one. Now, patience is still make Mama Sharon not go see picky for Kuma. You know what? Now, patience easy. Now, still make Mama Sharon not go see him, or now Sharon be Papa and still make Mama not go see picky for Kuma. Evil mother. She they drag the grandchildren, not even they pay me. They drag the grandchildren for a total stranger, I mean they take care of her. Now if you know they go Sharon children school, go they pick they carry them, they come back. This one now they stay free as. So this one now the fact when he fat yesterday. Now if this guy can finally do this children life. Now because the guy not they stay Europe. Very soon now the guy will still come out. But the guy try be not try. He try. But what this with me part to say, for your mind, now you feel carry phone come aside for the video. Not knowing say now you shame and disgrace go come wear suit. Nobody be known as you get big belly. But now God has exposed you to know say you be Mrs. Ibu for real life, you be Beyonce for TikTok. If you don't use 98 ghetto, take time belly finish, you can't use your last straight. They draw the belly go inside, put filter, begin they do. Oh no, you call it, how you take do this that day? This sound with the rain. Oh no, oh no, how you take do one? Meaning we take one, we challenge me. Now you will still wear the car. Say don't say see fair girl. Ah, and then no where boys are wrong. And then no where boys are not use you. Take do that show for Italy. Don't see all your set of friends, though it's not dead, posh, all of them, they are now mothers of 2-3 children.
She like
You,
10 years.
I wish that your pikin you come, you dey fight for now, if for sweet. More than they gift me, oh, it dey fight for.
Double tap your screen, guys, please.
To me,
Use double tap.
you and Sharon friendship now. Now, death friendship, death. You became Sharon's friend when she's dead. Because we don't know you as Sharon's friend when Sharon dey alive. Now, Patience Izzy, they know everything about Sharon. Imagine Sharon and the mama go dey fight like say they marry the same husband. Patience Izzy mention one thing for you just now. See, if Sharon not well, it always the messenger. But for this one, so we take her life, it not messenger. And now mama Sharon was Sharon for command go hospital.
And the same way we look at Izzy see the girl is that we never talk many things.
Yeah, now make me dey talk.
Many things.
They don't go run play audio.
The first people for Izzy self, you know. Hey,
No,
you know,
I like as Izzy they do am. You know what I mean? I like him in case if they reach court. Because now, this boy now, go tell the sin say he be the father of those children. I trust to Igbo, they'll say they do DNA. Not be even blood that they do am. Now spit. That's to know if you be really the father. If they do DNA,
now we take our own house.
if they do DNA, they find out say na that boy own. First, Mama Sharon, if this guy say want stay Europe, you are finished. If this guy say want stay Europe, meaning you don't finish because you be grandmother. The biggest person for there will be the next of kin of those children. And the baby father. But some women, they say, why the boy not call her? Why the boy not call her? Boy, we don't they call this woman. That's why they look and they laugh. When I say, may go meet Sharon Papa family. Sharon Papa family, we don't know when they carry their daughter go, Nigeria go bury. Now Mama Sharon family, they carry Sharon go Nigeria go bury. I don't even sure say Sharon, a father said, even know how they take bury Sharon. And that's the family, when I want to make this boy go meet. Which family? Which family? The most stupid person for inside here, now this one. He will carry Sharon children come outside. Now that I come clear. When I tell her that I say, this idiot not love Sharon children. She dey do am make una for the look and say too nice.
Now you was supposed to be beg Sharon, mama self, as
he said this boy yesterday, what is he supposed to do? Ah, mama, I beg you don't reach like this one. Mona, you're from here settle. If this girl talk to Mama Sharon, I believe say by now, peace for day. And you know the funniest part of thing will make me laugh this mugo at the end of all this saga. Mama Sharon and Sharon baby papa, this guy here, they will finally come back someday. Because this guy now one of the family. Mama Sharon, they look those children today, say, ah, me they remember Sharon. Now this boy, that give Sharon that belly. Only if you know, I the pity for the man we want to marry you. I the pity for boyfriend we want to marry you. Hey, don't be joke. Because now exhibit, now the boy want to go put for house. Isaac, God will continue to bless you. No level for them. Go test you, say, ah, I don't know what they call them for Italy. Tell them, say your children did this country. You come because of your children. If they say they want to use the audio when you and your woman take get problem with you, take go donation you, bro, relax. Audio day when we never play. When they will play for court, Mama shall not go wrong. come up for court. Only if you know that back he go follow, he go say one shit. That video is not supposed to be played here. I'm alone a girl the when Sharon talk. So you mean say Sharon not talk about mama one day? you think for una men, this one are smart. Una carry for commercial, una put her for akara. Now you the blow light to that one. Mama Sharon not get feeling for Sharon. If not, you do the small one birthday the other day. On the 9th of November, you want to do on that party for the big one. You just lost your daughter 2024 year. If you see say people they come, you go be you excuse face. If camera there on you, Mama Sharon, you dey dance. Evil mother. I thought I don't know why I insult you again, but you are an evil mother. It's either you come out to speak or we will see in court. Now when we don't go court with you, Mama Sharon, because I know your plan. Your plan is to go and play that this. And because of the problem, when your daughter get to the Okpamen, then we will not play one audio that will shock the court, that will shock the world. Then you will know that you are not smart enough. On this note, my people, all of you know will not be a loser. I never see person who is stupid when mumu reach this one. Whether na the ebe barrier where mama for be shell lady for car market, na he enter this one memory where not they take the tick well. I don't know. See wait, una where they look for fast life for abroad. That's why na belle go be like this one. I never born wow. See Mississippi. This girl don't carry drug tire, but she not use and do one thing. She carry fake money put for ground the other day. Say na real money. You na camera if you see I take be real money. You don't see fake wedding where we do, where we they spray on €100. Na real €100 we spray for the fake wedding. No. God is watching. You say, as the God will judge you for person we buy for visa, take come see children. I got one judge. And they wait any Europe woman. We go tell me, Papa, maybe Papa don't leave me. Not trying. Not trying. Because not be all man go fit take this kind of thing. If not some men, they'll say, be daughters, if they grow, they'll look for me. But this guy is still trying. And I like what this guy they do. Because everything they on camera, they on digital. In case of tomorrow, he go tell them, say, see the way it happen. See how he even tried to come. Your grandmother was trying to even beat me. Your own was to go and disgrace Patience Izzy. You want to go fight with Patience Izzy, mama? That person used to give you dirty slap. I really love. I never post video now. I only show them. The targets they say you beat security. You were there beat. May I play the audio again? You were security beat. I had the security because camera day and the footage where you enter, you disturb a lot of people. People where they eat their McDonald's, not be all of them eat their own finish. They run because they think now all these Turkish people they want to come bomb there. You put a lot of people for trauma. They're going to play this camera in court. Don't be surprised. This thing they look so if you even go prison put. Because at the end of it, they'll come ask you, how you take relate to this family? You know if you talk. As it get level past you. If not be say Mama Sharon a devil. As Mama Sharon see that boy, she's supposed to shed tears, still remember his daughter. Now from that minute he go tell that boy, say, you be offend me. But because of your own daughter, and this children will be your blood, he forgive you. We go there surprise, say, Mama Sharon and the Sharon Papa don't settle. But no, you push Oswald, Mrs. Ibu head put. May go fight them. No, Mrs. Ibu, God can be Sharon. All of them when they support Mama Sharon for the atrocities which they do. Now here we dey. She don't play one audio. Come and say, hey, okay, now this audio. The more you look, the less you see. But the Patience Izzy talk to them now, but not expect she'll talk on her. Patience Izzy not guy. I too believe that girl word. That's why since this issue started 2014 now, I still support Patience Izzy. But you see this demon, she's a manipulator, she's a demonic idiot, and she's a fool. Olevino, I dey come for you. You, this girl, you can't they come here, we no go they come and can't tell them your story tomorrow. How you tell me here, we when I team here, we you know the platform where you enter now, we can't they come here, we I'll describe how they cook here, we for you. Your picky picture don't deal with me. I go describe and this useless loved past will be widow. I tell be widow. I have explain them. Agbonwa fio no na wagbonwe amogbuye. Imi amwe bogbuwe when they love and pass. Except if you guilty affair do you. For uwe do uwa de verwa. We de verwa then ya. Gagmowe uwe ya private account we. You know say I get a picture. I get 4 pictures. But I never get time. But I just post them to let you know say I dey come for now. Isaac, na man you be. One of the part time they gift me. If you love my job, gift me. Na man you be. Na man you be. Continue the process of the paternity test. Pressure them, yes. No level. Anybody way underrate you or way insult you for Italy, send me their pictures. Send me their pictures. Make I call the below them one after the other. Show me any man we go fi ever stand for children like this man. This guy is just 34. But he says he passed people where they say they did 40, 50. Festina, which family you say may come? May start out from Nigeria. Which family? Which family? Which family? You know the way Sharon takes suffer for mama hand. Festina, you know the way Sharon takes suffer for mama hand. The suffer where Sharon suffer for mama, you don't suffer now for a baby papa hand. But that is not smart. That is not wise. That is not fit do this boy. As you not like, at the end of the day, this guy still come Italy. I don't tell now. I don't know that they say, I will pray to God Almighty, make this guy enter Italy and he enter with visa. But only if you know yours come. May I play the video again? And I'm here. Mona see a pesite mumu. If that's what kungbe, you will security beat black and blue. You begin the lie. For live video yesterday. Now this one I see on the screen record down. When you begin the blow lie. So you be security. But when I see person will say be security. Well, I gift him while I mean money go why have you already? See what he talk. He dey tell security, hey, he dey tell security, you beat me. But he called live video yesterday, called the bolo like say he take back the security wa. You know say before you see Moki don't see you. Security, why not beat you? Security don't tell you me you calm down. These are places where people for they eat. But because of your stupidity. Sibele. God forbid. God for who know that not be Sharon children make you call the drink. Aye, then become more Sharon. Me also there. Sharon, you're the disgrace like you make it belay the big. Yeah, where you also no now. Make the for no say the verse for the spirit world. Yeah, why you here? I get stop. Yeah, you say you know if they use this thing they cover again. May I show you the security for listen for grant.
When they call police for that, they feel like
see.
When they call police for that, no leave her. When they call police for that, police.
I'm a more latte. Hey. Your security follow. Your security follow. Gena zua. For picky will not be your own. Why security no for? You know those Oyibo they beat you. They'll come and do so that in case they play the camera, they'll say that he push Oyibo. Oyibo listen. You get one was supposed to no play. Oyibo the person like this. Oyibo the person. Oyibo the shout. Are you too? Oyibo the shout. Are you too? If I say you hold that one prick, you know all those people who fan, they don't say they get prick. If I say you hold that one prick, you never see video. I never want to post and why all they flash them like this because they know they see our way. Not here, I can't post the room, I can't join all of them together. I can't post to stupidity. Maybe I'll use and take wish you happy Christmas. Maybe if you rest, I know still post. But if you not rest, I'll use and wish you happy Christmas. See the way they fair. See this for picky will not be your mama. You they say, "Eh, baby, you know, baza fish." For car, you know, say picky they move for Europe. May I take they abroad? Cause here they fight for McDonald's. This one not be Baba again now. So no, that one. They bully my wife. My wife would have 4 children, 4 kids. The way your belly is big, my wife belly not big like that. So your own, they deceive people. All those crush when they crush on you. Some of them don't they ask me say, I'm disappointed. All those crush when they crush on you, their prick don't go down. Some boys then how they use you till they come. Don't say you be better person. Say now so you be say you be Beyonce. They don't know say yes, you be really Beyonce for TikTok, but you be Mississippi for real life. I ain't near you now. Real Mississippi, now you be. If they ask you now, what be your own for inside this matter? You know fear talk. Mama Sharon say me I come upon the look his grandchildren finish. He fight with person we get children where they don't die custody. And you say you love those children, you love person we don't die, but person we die alive you hate them. Wow. And some stupid women for TikTok, they say they support you put.
Now those are not they allow their baby for they see their children.
They say they support you put.
They don't allow their baby for they see their children. Now they support.
They still they support you put. Make we post this get picture. They bring your matter to me. Since then, I try to call you, you not pick. Make your picture there. You can't go call the person where you say the whole money. But go ye. I say now this one go better pass. May I post this one? May your math for day. Because if I post it now, you shake. They bring your matter to me, oh. I try to call you. You not come, oh. May I show you? Let me see if I don't beat you now. You call they say, Naturino you day. President Tessie baby for it. AKA see never dry. If you don't want me your see dry, call me, oh. This is what they do. Tu es venu où avec Dieu, ouais? J'en ai moins là, Dieu. See never dry, way. Hi, see never dry. Are you fine? Et puis, je suis here. Tu es venu où, but not by my you. See your picture. Call me, oh. I never want to saga you. I be one more doing for his ass. Based on say me, I know they like to saga person. I call you, you not pick. You go, they call the person where you the owe money. Say you know the owe money. I hear your audio. That's why they tell you. That's why they tell you. See never dry. Tessie baby, call me. Don't be your picture with this. Call me. Call me. I'm not talking. If you not call me, and you know. How many of you are happy to see this belly? How many of you are happy to see this belly? So today, by the power conferred in me as a no-give maton, I hereby crown you Mrs. Ibu from TikTok shop on TikTok. Mona launch her for gift.
Mona be our TikTok shop. No be our TikTok
Mrs. Ibu from TikTok shop.
No be our TikTok shop.
Okay, may I do have that?
No be our TikTok shop.
Mona screen record this one. Hello, my friends and families.
We dey buy better things for TikTok.
We have that
for TikTok shop.
Hello, my friends and families. This is a no-game marathon. I saw this girl here on TikTok shop. Her name is Mrs. Ibu. Listen and be blessed. This girl here, I bought her from TikTok shop. Okay? How do I bought her from TikTok shop? She go for inwinere messages. The messages will not be her own. Just call on her. She will do it for you for free. You're not going to pay a dime. And she will still come back to tell you that she has sacrificed everything just to do it for you. I bought mine for €2.99. But if you want to buy this kind of, don't go and buy the Beyonce type. I will do the two later. I will do a video for this. May not be like say, but I'm just telling you that I bought this from TikTok shop. Okay. Wa sun wa mo wa de you ba bo fi ekun le lo un dan no gba be wetin you want talk you never fit talk. I dey ask you. Then what tell me tai? Nonsense, rubbish. Hey, you know see pikin. They promise person will get children say they no see am. If those children laugh with you, na cost to you. If those children even follow you play, na cost. If they share teeth because they be small pikin, na cost to you. Na cost to you. You see why you're supposed to get good friends for Europe? Friend will be saying if they do some kind of things, they'll tell you say, stop. You know your girlfriend. You go back now. And no see. And that and the billion over like mon fin no go agbije the billion and maybe I will put you for the next saga the billion. In my picture well la one. Screenshot in there. Keep if they know any billion, what they know, man. Tomorrow saga we hear where soon because saga don't they take time. And bless but they want to cash you and they come for you tomorrow. What they know, man. Soon they know they come for you. Perfect no. Tevata.
100%.
If I not get matter,
I
beg. I want to make this case that because I get solution for Golden. That will work with me. Golden, I beg. He get one woman for my area for year. He share that woo. Now 3 children leave behind. They not go follow you drag that one. Nobody will come follow you drag her. I beg. I will carry they go give your mama for Oka market. Anybody will know where go the mama for the sell something for Oka. Mona give me so that make I carry the. I feel if they follow your mama buy something, I not go even know. Mona tell me my mama show and where. Now once I want review, I cannot the queen no person. No America book. Eh? If I send for honorary grant, I no go know am because of Mary Kay. I beg. I want carry the children go give mama for Oka market. Mama go help them do visa. He will call give a picky for Europe. See some maybe we know what mere yeah. God, I suppose if not maybe you go there, suppose even they hide my face for shame. You understand? I beg. My 60 years we why pay wala wo. It's not a yes in one way. I said your body ya amo na babeleru ni age o. Ave ya suwaga kon wa gbo.
boy.
Wala wa bi aleru ne because it's not a yes in one. Then I said here Ibe ke wala be gwa fati de here. Sada gbogun.
That's it baby. Tie be o.
Sada gbogo ya si wa. Azeti bonu wa amo na babeleru nu wa ge o ave ya tu wa ga kan wa gbo
Azaka mano we winere
omo babeleru ni age o ave ya tu wa ga kan wa gbo
awe no we winere Oh, we have where we win there.
I dey see you they use land, say they proud, say your mother will they buy you, not be your money. Fuen when this time I get was say, wow, you were there Europe, you say now your mama they buy land, they wait for you. You won't use that one, I will take pride. Fuen when you never see people will be say that they fair picking. If they get martial everything, they'll say they will give God, make God carry, but they all need picking. You never see all your work without no child, they useless. If you don't know me, I tell you now. If you get even a earth for this earth when me are you there without no child, you are useless. You know why? I always say you get your own picking now. You for don't come up for that place. You not going for even see chance. Anytime we never feel give your picking, you want to go they give another person picking. Go there, they ask you. La wo mani di yobo go di la mani di yobo. Me hani ya wa vyo gijwe we kyo ka egu we sim yo go wanya wo wabio. Europe ni wa sheje enierinya. La wo.
All those beggars wey dey in growth, Omaya we more.
No man nigga.
All those teachers wey dey look for person wey wan buy them, yeah, they see akpo mamu.
No man, even if they praise we to bia mo say wo mo say.
Mrs. Ibu.
He praise we.
That's 22. You know what we want to do now? Every time we take 1 year, if I say, great Mrs. Ibu.
Great.
Belena water, great.
Okay, Belena water. Okay.
They cry.
The last one, not Belen, they cry. If I say, great Mrs. Ibu, you say Belena water.
Belena water, na water.
Okay. Great Mrs. Ibu.
Belena water, na water.
Now, don't tell your talker. Your talker, I say, Belena water. Then the last one, okay, wait, never talk. May I teach you? Great Mrs. Ibu, Belena water. Great Mrs. Ibu, Belena water. Great Mrs. Ibu, Bele they cry.
Okay.
Why down here? Why down here? Okay. So now, what's up? Great Mrs. Ibu,
Belena water.
Great Mrs. Why in your way? Great Mrs. Ibu,
Belena water.
Great Mrs. Ibu,
Bele they cry.
After the 2 one down, you may already hear one down, you be back person. After the 2 one down.
No game at one beg. I be here we you bonu wa don't even go look ya in Nigeria.
Look for, please, this our Temu sister from TikTok shop is looking for any kind of man. Try me get three.
No, hey, why me marriedian? You know easy beg. Because we reject now. So we need to beg our men for Africa. Ni ko gusia ave widowa la wo ni ameke na mu. You understand? La forcey. You people should not force us, You people are going to beg my Nigerian men so that you are making them more golden. You understand? Because I'm not going to be at 40 something or mighty way. Or even bien out on a less year. Here we are gay single mother. Making a gay single mother, man. Okay. Now wow. Oh my, good day. Bye bye.
All right. Let's see. Okay, thank you. So, I don't know where you're bullying for. May I flash just get a picture again? For people who know her, I'll send her give her. I never want to go into details. But your name is Tessie. Please call me. I never want to get you. I try to call you. You see I'm saying that me. You can't run go. They call the person. Where you they owe money? So may I call the girl now, me she speak by herself. Me for no say, not be say, I carry bring you come my side. While down here. Now just quit tripping this one. This one I just jara. May I call the girl and make the girl for come use the mouth talk. Cause me, I know they like nonsense. You know if you the fine girl. Now only God know now if your belly not still big. But I'm not good. I'm not whiter. Now they use fitter. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Hey, I don't post this girl picture. I better tell us what this girl do you.
Okay, so this girl is so tasty. She can't gather Osusu. So as she gather Osusu, we can't be 15, 100,000 every month, which is 1.5 million. So since June, meeting can't end. Now me be last person to carry. Meeting she no give me. So I go call her with my money. She will say next week. I will say okay. June, July end. August with my money, she go even beg me say if that be the case, she will add small thing for the money give me. I can't tell her say no. I don't want me she add small thing. Make she give me my money. Now my money I want. She can't say she go call her sister. She go this. She go that. I can't say okay. They can't postpone her to October. Even before October, the people wey dey the group, I come message they say I beg make una no vex o, una see una money. This meeting na me be last person. I never see my money. All of them come say they say their money or this that. I come tell them say okay, make una still help me beg her, make she give me my money. They come tell me say okay. Some come say okay, they will talk to her. Some come beg me make I wait. I come say okay, no problem. I can't wait. So I believe those people call her. So the next thing she called me, I just dey close for work around 2 that day. She just called me. I dey inside car. She say, so you dey announce me give wishes and wizard. I come ask her say, who be wishes and wizard? Now who be wish they know wish? How you tell me say I announce you give wishes and wizard? Then she go dey tell me say na the first key person. Say she go tell me say she na Bini, me na Esa, and that money so where they are, if she give me, my enemy will use and do problem where pass that money. That go tell her say why you call they talk to me like that? If I even say make I talk, she will just end the call. If I call her, she will just talk, she will end the call. So later, I can report her to her sister. Her sister can tell me, say, make I know this, that. I can't say, okay, no problem. If I call her, she go they add me join her sister, say, now her sister eats the money, the money not there with her. Her sister will call they tell me story. Me come tell her sister, say, I don't follow you do also, so you don't need to call they tell me all this plenty story. Help me beg your sister. She give me my money. So they come they use me, they play games. Sometimes if I call to her sister will tell me say she go call me back, she go end the call. If I call this one, sometimes she no even they pick at all. A week she no go pick. I can't say okay, do not do because now ladies this is Zion member. So I can't try reach out to lady or song. So that one because tell me say she go. If that one tell me say the next morning make I call her. So the next morning as I close for work, I can't call that one. I believe maybe she did busy. So I don't know. So she not respond to the call. She not return the call. So I go rest. And meanwhile, this particular money where they draw, so not be me even get them. Now person money, the person pay am through me because I pay 2 hand for the meeting. She give me my own. This last one so supposed be the person own. She no gree give me up till now. Even since that day when I reach out to you, when you try call her, she no pay. She message me saying person they call her, she won't know if na me give her number to person. She sent me the voice record. As I listen to the voice record, I never even respond. The next thing she they send another one. So I just play that one. She just delete everything. I can't say okay, no problem. When you come message me, when I come send her the message, now she they threaten me say if she see her picture for social media, now so she go donation me, now so she go tell me say she na Italian citizen, blah blah blah. Now I say okay, no problem.
How much they owe you? How much they owe you, Subo?
She dey owe me 1.5 million naira.
Italian citizen wey no fit pay 1.5 million naira is who? Italian Aduro. See, I don't want to go far for this thing because I don't want to saga you. I give you now in 24 hours. Me you settle your issue with this girl. Me you tell her how you do they pay her money. If not, because you get evidence against you, when I come back for you, my sister, you're not going to like me. This is a no-game matter. I know they carry wrong identity. They come my platform. Before I bring you here, you all know say now you find my trouble. So I try to reach out to you, you not respond. That is already a disrespect to me. But I don't worry. Go pay pursue the whole money. That is the only way you can be free from me. If not, you don't have that problem. Thank you. It don't okay like this. I believe say people will know her to can record and give them. Yeah?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, thank you.
All right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you know, you too like this belly. I know, give me to leave this girl now. Ha, work you are going to go and work yo. Mrs. Ibu no guinea go. Swagalicious Mrs. Ibu. Okay, oh, I want to bring another person come aside, oh. One of they gift me. What gift on one? This one named na Kelvin Omo. You thief your baby mama money. Rongo, France. Allegedly, I don't know. But I don't get your number and she not get your number again. Now make I post your picture with Mercy. Because now you and your new girlfriend there. I don't want to go spoil your runs. You know, say I be girl like you. And I knew you and your new girlfriend there. So I don't want to post you and your new girlfriend. I want to post only you one. Because your baby mama bring your matter to me. So I'm going to try to screenshot the girl come out. Make it not be saying, that's why they do my thing. Because you figure out that girlfriends now. May not go cast you. So bro, I beg, try me, you call me. I don't get your number. And the woman says she don't get your number too. So if you screenshot your baby, you and your girlfriend, I did this picture, you know. Hey, you and your girlfriend, I did this picture. Your girlfriend, and your girlfriend shared with that one, but no problem. Hey, maybe if na 4 girlfriend you get, all of them will feel say na she. I don't know if na 4 girlfriend get. But what thing make me post your picture here, be say your baby mama say you thief him money. He can carry go Ailala. At the end of the day, Ailala consider you pay 2 million. He say you use 8 years to pay the 2 million naira. So I don't want to go deep. Oga, but try me, you call me. My number na +49 1521 046 0250. In case maybe I dey fast, I go come again. My number na +49 152 1046 0250. In case you know here, maybe if there's recorder for you, go replay the video again till you write my number for grand. Now maybe you no give matter, probably maybe you not still here. You feel still message me for my TikTok, I go reply you. Thank you, bros. They say your face not clear, make it all be like this, make it not come go bring another new picture way for clear. So I beg, I know say as you see this thing, so you go no say now you must know, So now you're bold for. Hey, this is my job. You know, they surprise when I say people will get passport, they message me. People will get passport, when they say they all get the passport for their country, then they message me, will not get. You know, they shock you. You know, they imagine and say, una soon I get passport. The people, so passport holder for this Europe, now they be blogger now. Go see their platform, you know, like wow, useless woman we message me the other day. And then if they're the party, I see platform with the one for donate for you. And that yeah, BBRO. Wait, picture. The name I got the picture already. Make I give you money. And money I can't give you from today henceforth. If you ever mistakenly mention my name again, you will get problem with me. If you ever you will be less bobo. If you ever may I put your picture, may your man for day. I be your mate. You know the fear. You can message me, I go find document for another country. Now let me not get document for Germany. If you know you have a message in what time, you ask me to be boyfriend you anybody, you know. Now you go left with Paco Besson and by a boy, wait come cast that time. Me want me arrange that matter again. Egbe ne boy egbe. You know, so if I want saga person na general, wetin dey your body, everything about you, na the saga person. See your lip, nonsense. Mo pe jishula jan agmo agba wa. Larry. Be like person with the bolo for year anymore. This one not too sexy. Take time. If I meet you, now juju everything I'll take for you. First, if I don't beat you to my satisfaction, I'll call you that take digestion for you. If I ever mention you, if I even know you safe, let today be the first and last. If you mention my name again from your mouth, or you averse me, I will beat your baby papa. The beat I will beat your baby papa go too worst for you. Because some of this nonsense mother, whether I'm depression or a bit frustration, I don't know. When I'm frustration, they do now. Last morning, that's what tomorrow, and I say, I don't feel I need the trouble. Be very careful with me. Do not burn you where to averse me. If people say they talk to me, you will be less bobo. Where you averse me? Austral depression. Where you have? I call they give una names now. Mona for no now. Mona for they know na names. Only if you don't call down that name today now, Mrs. Ibu, aka from TikTok shop. Now you know if you like, no call her Mrs. Ubomaka. I'm not your friend. I'm not your brother. We are not related by blood. Don't mention my name from your mouth again. The next time you do, I know what to do to you. Yes. Last warning. I very well. Funny. Austral depression. Take time. Don't ever. I have to tell you now. So my people, today's live stream is hereby closed. Wanna let all those my backing dogs the back. We not go fit talk about Mrs. Ibu matter finish for one day. You know the way I take bitter last month. That's why I take bitter for the next 1 month. For this nonsense way you do, for you to go fight with people from McDonald's. Yeah, work by you for the next 1 month.